Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another video, and we are here playing Jack Black's Adventure again with a part 2. Since part 1, it did okay, but I really liked playing the game. It was really fun. So 2 more levels just got added, which is Howling Heights from Mario 3D World and the King's Castle, I think, from 3D Land. So we're gonna be playing through them. If this one's long, then I'll do a part 3 maybe on the King's Castle, but we'll see how it's gonna be like. And yeah, let's just go through levels and just see how it's like. Let's go. Alright, then we're here. Wow, this place looks really nice. I really like it. But yeah, here we go. So yeah, last time was really fun. I really enjoyed playing. I wasn't expecting it to look this good, but it's really good. And you guys can die. I'll take the mushroom. Okay, what is it? This thing? And let's go. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Oh gosh, okay, whoa, that must be really high. Ooh, fire flower. Oh wow, what the? Oh whoa, yo, that's sick. Like shoots everywhere. That's awesome. Okay, let's see where I go now. Okay, here we go. What's this? Oh yo, gold coin. For some reason I got all 3, but I didn't. That's weird. Okay, whoa, okay, there's a lot of jumping I have to do. Okay. Let's see what's over here. Oh, what the heck? Why is there womps? Okay. The second one. Okay, let's go get the third one. Oh gosh, okay, I better watch out for those guys. They can easily kill me, I'm pretty sure. Oh, those guys are from Mario 64. Oh gosh, are you going on? Boom, we made it. Oh, that's it. Oh, I couldn't find the third one. Alright, whatever, let's go. Okay, we have made it. Alright, here we go. The next one. Got boss at the end. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Hammer bro. You go up. I'm trying, it's hard. Okay. What about Kamek? I can easily dodge him. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. I don't even get in. Oh, what the heck? Oh, looks like he's stuck. What do we do here that he's stuck? He's stuck. Yeah, he is stuck. I don't know what to do at this point. Alright, yeah, I guess that's gonna be it. We got Bowser. He's stuck there. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Alright then, so yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys all for watching. If you please enjoy, comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys all for watching, and I will be seeing you all in the next video. Goodbye.